subject is English in workbook chapter 1. Ice cream man, unit 1. And when does the ice cream man appear in the street? In summer, the ice cream man appear in the street. How has summer been described in the city? Summer has been described hot winds and burning fire in the city. What does the ice cream man have? Cold drinks, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry ice cream cones has the ice cream man. How does the ice cream man go down the street? The ice cream man with his little cart goes down trundling the street. He is and here with what was the ice cream man's cart being compared? The ice cream man's cart being compared to a flower bed. Who surrounds the ice cream cart? Children surrounded the ice cream cart. Why have the children been compared to honeybees? The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. Write the rhyming words peas used in stanza. Peas, rhyming word is bees. Next question. In which season is the ice cream popular? In summer season the ice cream is popular. Who feels joyful in seeing the ice cream man? Children feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Name the different flavors of the ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. Vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. What are the two things the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling ice cream and cold drinks. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? The ice cream cart is compared to a flower bed. What is the ice cream man doing to protect himself from the sun? He keeps umbrella on the ice cream cart to protect himself from the sun. What is joyful sight for the children? The ice cream man with his little cart to see him. They are joyful sight for the children. What is contained in the bottles of the ice cream man? Drinks contained in the bottles of the ice cream man. Write the rhyming words from the poem. Heat, street, sight, white, drink, pink. And true or false? The ice cream man moves his cart slowly. True. The ice cream man fills the cones with the mounts and the white and black ice creams. False. The ice cream man has big round umbrella for the children. False. Only a few children come to the ice cream man for ice cream. False. Tick the correct options. In summer, we try to get relief from heat. The heat in the city can be felt in air of the city. The bottle contains things which we are chilly. And the cart has been compared to a flower bed. Vocabulary. Besides the ice cream, write the names of the 4 things that give us relief from the heat of the summer. Cold drinks, cool air, cold water, shade. Name 2 things that provide us protection in summer and the rainy season. Umbrella and shade. Beside roses and sweet peas, write the names of the 3 flowers which are commonly found in flower beds. Marigold, jasmine and tulip. Most of the words beginning with C, K sound if the beginning with K. Some words beginning with C sound as they are beginning with S. Write 5 words of each the category. That means car, cat, care, cot, candle. It pronouncing we are C means K, and it is cell means S. We are pronouncing cell, cent, center, century and circle. In grammar, write proper describing word adjective before each noun given below. Small cart, black umbrella, big things, enough fees, green peas and good sight. Write an action verb against each of the following nouns. The ice cream man comes. Children play. Honeybees fly. Mother knits. And match the following. Sunita means we have to pronounce that her. I, my friends, there. He, his. We, our.